Saturday, June 13th, 2020. Check out my Trinidad Moruga chocolate scorpion peppers. It's a mouthful to say too. But check out these plants. Look how many peppers are on these. Wow, check out this color. Oh, I think the light is just right on this one. Look at that. Look at the color, look at the texture, look at the little spikes on there. Little thorns. And there's probably on these two bushes 100 maybe. I'm not exaggerating. There's probably 100 peppers on here. And I should cut one of these open to see if they have liquids, because these are very ripe. Oh look, some of them are even falling off. If we cut these open, they might be dripping inside. I could take a bite out of that. I don't have a knife with me. I don't know if I want to take a bite out of that. I lost my fillet knife. Alright, luckily I found my fillet knife, so I'm going to try to do this here. This one looks a little dried up. I don't know what happened to it. See if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time. Got a nice dirty knife. Ooh. Ooh, I almost stabbed myself in the foot there. Yeah, there is. If you look inside there, let's get this focused. Might be too close there. I think that's it. If we look down inside there, we can see a little drop of liquid. There we go. Little drop of liquid in there, so that is pure, or as pure as I can get to liquid fire. I'm going to be careful touching this, to wash my hands with some diesel fuel when I'm done. See if we can get a drop to come off of this. Oh, well, just flew out of my fingers. I guess not. Maybe there's some in here. See if we can get a little to come out of there. Yeah, I think it was all on the bottom. This isn't very full. I should try another one maybe. Give it a little squeeze. Try to get it all over my fingers if I can. Later. No, there's none in there. Here, let's find this. Here's a little piece I dropped. Yeah, it's definitely a little puddle in there. Even after I dropped it, the puddle's still there. See if I can squeeze this out. And you know I'm going to touch my eyes later. And some of this juice there we go. See a little drop of liquid coming off of there. Oh yeah, I got it on my fingers now. There it is. Pure drop, there it is. Touch that to my tongue just to make sure. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the real deal. Oh wow. Yep, just touching it to your tongue. Whoa. Oh, I gotta get something to drink now. Wow, look at that one. Alright, that's enough. Cut.